Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today is your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. You are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I want you guys to come and bake with me, to fry it with me, and I want to make churro. That is not the pronunciation. I will ask my son to help me to pronounce this because churro or churros is from Spain. Can you pronounce this? Churros. So we are making that churros that my son just pronounced. So guys, I want you to
another man food is another man voice.
Come to my kitchen. Let's bake guys. Let's dive. So guys, you can use water or milk. I decide to use milk. I love the taste when I use milk. I've tried water as well. If you use water, it's going to be too crunchy, but when you use butter, when you use milk, you will see the difference. So this will be equivalent of 600 grams of butter. Okay, you can as well use water. Okay, so this is margarine, this is my butter. You can get any quality of butter, and this will be like equivalent of 250 grams of butter. Okay, so I'm not going to use all of them, so you can use 2 tablespoons of butter or 1 tablespoon of butter. You will know the amount of butter you want, so you have to stir them together, so until the butter melts with the milk. So by using butter, it's going to give you a better flavor. It gave me better flavor and allow your butter and the milk to melt together, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm going to be adding 1/4 of teaspoon of salt. You can exclude the salt, it's optional guys, okay, to just give it the taste. So I usually add my sugar at this point. Okay, so I'm going to be using 60 grams of sugar. So, and you have to bring your electric cooker or your cooker to very low temperature. You can see it's start foaming. Guys, bring the flame to low temperature, and you want to add 500 grams of plain flour, okay, of all purpose. Okay, 500. Okay, I've already measured the one I want to use. So you really have to have a good hand. I'm going to, you can go ahead and add more like me. You really have to have a good hand in order to combine it, to fold it properly. So we are too many in this house, including visitors, so that's why I'm making it so many. So you continue to fold it. So we've already lowered our electric cooker, and you have to have a good muscular, good hand. It's like exercise, so you want to keep folding it until you get the texture you are looking for. Okay, all right, so we're going to be apply this. So guys, is it that you use your hand if you want to apply the egg, or you use your spatula again, or if you have a wooden spoon, a little bit. And don't worry, is it that you use your hand? I'm going to show you. I might go ahead and use this. I will let you know which one I use. Okay guys, I use one hand to hold the camera. It's not really hot. I eventually use my hand. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the second egg, and I'm going to apply the second egg. I just said let me show you guys how I did it. It's just, I'm not selling it, it's for the family, my friends and my children. That is the second egg, and when you are doing it, you're gonna get scared. Is it going to turn up okay? Is it going to turn okay? Is it going to be all right? Don't be afraid. You have to continue mashing them, folding them together. Is going to be okay. You really need 2 eggs in order for you to get that American taste. They turn out, so I have to change my spatula to wooden spoon because it's very hard. Okay, you really have to have a good muscle, you have to really have a good hand. Preheat my vegetable oil. You can use any type of oil, you can use vegetable oil, you can use some sunflower oil. If you don't have back, you can use the dough of it. Okay, you can make it like, you can just so guys, all is the same. You can just put it on your fry pan like that, so it's still going to make cereal, like what my son says, cereal or cereal, I can't pronounce it, so it's still going to be the same. See the one I make with the hand to just prepare the oil. You see, how to reduce the flame. Guys, please let me know what you guys should think. This is my cereals, but the difference, I do not have the cereal top. I don't know where I kept it. You can swear make it this way. It tastes the same texture, guys. The difference because there's no the line, the fashion or the design there, but it's the same texture, guys. And this is my chocolate. So if you want me to show you guys or to teach you how to make your own chocolate sauce, please leave the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button and share this video.